Well, thank you for watching the Victaulic Tools for Revit videos. My name is Ricky Bell. I'm a programmer on the Victaulic Tools for Revit project. I'd like to take some time today and talk about how to download your 30-day trial, how to purchase our software, and how to register our software through our website. I'm not going to assume anything at this point, so let's start from the very beginning. The very beginning would be going to victaulicsoftware.com. You'll see there are two buttons right here on the front page. The first button here is the one we're going to hit, which is Download Free 30-Day Trial, which will take you to a form. This form, you can take the time to fill out any or all information that you have. I'm a programmer for Victaulic. So when you complete this form, at the bottom, you click your Send button. That Send button is going to send you an email that will take you to our Downloads page. This is our Downloads page right here, and you see there's a whole bunch of cool stuff for you to take a look at. The most important things right here at the bottom are the installers. This is our latest installer for 2014, this is our latest for 15, and this is our latest for 16. Also included in here, you should notice our shared parameters file and our project templates. And these project templates are very robust, to say the least. All of our pipe types are already set up in there, and there's a lot of things, a lot of families included into our templates that you may find very useful. So if you download our installers here, and it installs like any other program on Windows, make sure you have Revit closed when you install them. The first time you open up Revit, after that, you will see that there's an extra tab right up here. Okay, now I'm not in a project at the moment, so all these things are disabled. So let me open a project. Okay, right here is your first glance at the toolbar. Now I'm not going to go into all of the awesome features that Victaulic Tools for Revit offers. We're going to talk about how to purchase and how to register your tools. You'll see a button here on the left hand side that says Register Victaulic Tools, which will bring you to a screen where it asks for an email address and a password. And right here it says manage your account at victaulicsoftware.com/account. Well, that just so happens to be where you would purchase. So right from the front page here, the second button here, purchase Victaulic Tools for Revit. Now this will take you to our cart system, which is just like any other cart that you see on the internet for purchasing things. And you see everything split out now. 2014, 15, and 16 can be purchased individually. Well, today I'm going to purchase 2016. Right here, I'll add it to my cart. And as I go through the checkout, it asks me to create a user account. Well, I skipped right to the end of the ordering process. Right here you can see a screen where you can print your receipt. The key takeaway is that the username and password that you use to set up your victaulicsoftware.com account is going to be the same one that you use when you go to register every instance of your Victaulic Tools for Revit software. So if I skip back over to Revit here, this is the screen that we left earlier. So I'll type in my email address that I used for the purchase along with the password I used to set up my account. And now my software is registered. I'm good to go. I have one license used of one available for Victaulic Tools for Revit 2016. Now if you needed to transfer this license to another computer, you would clear your registration right here. Are you sure you want to unregister your software? Absolutely. And then maybe you have a laptop that you take on business trips and you want to register it there. I'm going to go ahead and register one more time. Great. So if you were to log back into victaulicsoftware.com, there are options there to manage your account. So right here is the account tab. Shows me any of the purchases I've made, along with my billing address, shipping address, all the stuff you'd expect to see. But the important part here is I have one license available for Victaulic Tools for Revit 2016, and I have one in use right now. So right here I can see what day it happened and what computer is using this license. Now if that computer were to fall off a cliff and you needed to unregister your software, we put an extra button here for unregister. Well, that's it. You've registered your copy of Victaulic Tools for Revit. Make sure to check out our other videos on the functionality of the Revit toolbar, and thank you for taking the time to watch.